Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove suggested accounts on Instagram, follow these step-by-step instructions to customize your feed and reduce unwanted recommendations. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Step 2. When you see suggested accounts appear in your feed or on your Explore page, tap on the X or Remove button next to the suggestion. Step 3. Instagram will ask you why you want to hide this suggestion. You can select options like Not Interested or Already Follow to provide feedback. Step 4. The suggested account will be immediately removed from your current view. Step 5. To further reduce suggestions, go to your profile and tap the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Step 6. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Step 7. Tap Suggested Content to access controls for what Instagram recommends to you. Step 8. You can manage topics and adjust settings to reduce the number of suggested accounts that appear. Step 9. Consider regularly clearing your search history and being mindful of the content you interact with, as this influences Instagram's suggestions. Step 10. Note that completely eliminating all suggested accounts is not possible, but you can significantly reduce them with these steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.